Hi everyone, this is Philip from Leftover Treasures. Today we're going to be talking about the last two parts of our estate in Fresno at 322 East Litza. This is parts 5 and 6. These two parts are auction only. Unlike the other four, where you can purchase in person and online or bid online and in person, these two are auction only, with the exception of one item in part 6, which is the piano, which has a minimum bid and a purchase price. But the rest of the items are auction only. Just like I explained in the previous parts, please take notice of item location pickup time, which will be at the 322 East Litza in Fresno, not at our warehouse. If you don't pay on time, you will lose the item. Accounts without payment methods, your bids will be deleted without notice. And if you don't remove everything by the deadline, which is the 28th, you will not be refunded, which is fully enforced if you absolutely do not respond to any emails, text messages, or phone calls that we send to you. So each part has its own set of pickup instructions. This one, which is the same as part 4, 5, and 6, you have to pick up on the 28th from 2 to 5 p.m. Other arrangements are not available at this address. After you review all this information, we also have it in video form. You'll get down to the lots. Lot 450 will end at 5:30, and everything else will end in 1-minute increments all the way down to the last lot. If you missed the pickup information the first time, we have it again in the description and just above the bidding. So it's there. You just gotta please read it and take notice of it. So just to avoid confusion on when you need to pick up and remove these items. And you'll notice in parts 5 and 6, the buy now button will not be there because you cannot purchase this item online or in person. Everything is in bids only. The only item you can purchase would be the piano, and it has the buy now price right there. So even the jewelry, no buy now price. So these are strictly auction only. Pickup for all the items for parts 5 and 6 will be Sunday the 28th from 2 to 5 p.m. Again, there is no other arrangements. They have to be picked up at this address, and they cannot be picked up at the warehouse. The terms of the sale are 15% buyer's premium plus sales tax. Resellers, your tax is refunded at pickup, and there is no buy now option for parts 5 and 6, again with the exception of the piano. If you would like to view these items in person, you can do so by making an appointment. We'll begin taking appointments after March 10th. There will be an auction preview that is also at the same time as the estate sale. So if you're coming to the estate sale, you'll still be able to look at and inspect these items during the same time as the estate sale. Please pay as soon as you're done bidding, and a mask is required, for pickup and viewing, yada yada. And do not wait for emails. Always log into your account at the end of your bidding and before the pickup day begins. Do not wait for the emails. This is your notice. Log in to see whether you've won or not. So the in-person preview and inspection is going on at the same time as the estate sale. Again, you will not be able to purchase any item in parts 5 and 6, again, for the exception of the piano. After the bidding concludes on the 27th, please pay all your bids on the 27th. So on the 28th, you'll arrive to items that look just like this. This helps us gather your items on time for the time they say you're going to show up and pick them up. If you have any questions with checking out, we're available till 10 p.m. that auction day. And please bring your invoice to make sure we got everything that you purchased. And since we have a lot of small items in these parts of the sales, we can ship them, such as the jewelry and the smaller items. A lot of those items can go under first class, which is really reasonable. It's shipped from our zip code 93704. We can hold jewelry items for a larger shipment. So if you buy a lot of jewelry, we'll put them in one shipment rather than if you buy 5 jewelry items, you're going to get one package. We're not going to charge you for 5. So for the piano, whoever wins the piano, you will have to make arrangements to get it out. It is a baby grand, so it does need to be professionally moved. So we do have a company you can use, and that information will be given to the buyer at the time of purchase to make the arrangements to get the piano out. The piano is a little more flexible because it is a piano. So whether you're checking out or placing bids, checking out bids, or you're ready to pay for your items, you click My Account. My Account will take you to the dashboard, and from here you click Pay Now to pay for your items, or you can check what you're doing on auction activity. When you get to the Pay Now section, you want to click Pay All, and we have it in two places. Pay All pays for everything. Pay Now only pays for one item. Once you get to the checkout screen, make sure all your billing info is put in, your card information. And here, this is a manual entry. You have to tell us what time you're coming. Doesn't need to be exact. We just need to know when to have your order ready by on Sunday. So if you leave this field empty, you will not be able to proceed. So please enter something in here, preferably a time within the pickup time. Then click place order, and then you'll be taken to your invoice to be printed out. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. And thank you again for watching the video. Have a great day.